When you hear the phrase turnkey, what we're talking about is the home is in move-in ready condition and does not need any renovations outside of personal preference or taste. This really comes into play more so with sellers when we're talking about pricing. What I mean by that is when I'm pricing your home with you as a seller, I'm gonna have a conversation with you about, are we listing this in turnkey condition or as is condition? And just understand that if I want to price my home on the top end of the spectrum in my neighborhood, then it needs to be in turnkey or as close as turnkey as possible. Some buyers are completely willing to pay a premium because they don't want to do any work, and that's what we call that ease of transaction. Other buyers, though, are willing to take on a project, and that is going to be reflective in the price. So just understand that if you're looking at something and it's priced a little bit lower and needs more work, it's priced accordingly. And if you're priced higher and needs less work, even if it's not 100% to your personal taste, once again, it's still in turnkey move-in ready condition. So just understand that when you're pricing your home, sellers, make sure you know where your home falls into that range.